Hey guys, this is Drake Sports here, again with you for another video today on the Pro Bowl promo. This is a great promo. I think they actually listened to all those YouTubers ranting about how all the promos sucked, which they did. And they took their thoughts under consideration and kind of did what we wanted this time. There's higher overalls and there's cooler stuff like this community challenge. At 1 mil you get a pro pack, which I didn't get to get. 2 mil you get the AFC pack. 5 mil you get the NFC pack. And at 10 mil we get the Camping World Stadium. We're almost at 3 mil right now, so getting pretty close to that NFC pack. In this video we're going to open a ton of NFC packs. Probably 1.2 mil. I'll probably go down all the way to 3 mil for you guys. Let's start off with the first pack. Nothing. Next one. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I'll be having a giveaway at 25 subs, but I will have a video about that too, so how to enter and things like that. So far not so good, no elites. Come on EA, give me some pack luck. This morning I pulled the 94 Cordell Patterson, which was hype. These are two gold, oh yeah, there we go. 91 Brandon Scherf is what I want to say, but I'm not 100% sure. There's his stats if you want to pause and look at him. It's a pretty good card. There we go. Alright. Come on, I want that 96 of Zeke. 94 Cordell Patterson. Because I got him this morning, sold him for 2 mil before his price went down. I was so hype. So excited, surprised. It was crazy. That 96 Z goes for... Oh, there we go. Cameron Wake. It's pretty good. That's probably about... He's going for 100K. So, that was a pretty good pack. Villal. TJ Lang. Going for probably 5K. What's crazy about this promo is it made all the new players, all the 91s, 93s, even 94s and 5s, I mean, they went down in price crazily. There we go, getting a Team of the Year player, even though that promo is trash. Oh. Hoping I was getting an elite there. Haven't gotten an elite in a while. Hopefully getting one soon. As we say that, we get nothing. Nothing in that pack. These packs have been a little stale for me the past... Oh, there we go, just talking about how bad the packs were. Get that 9-1 Larry Fitzgerald. There we go. I'm hoping I can do one of those, a few of those hero sets at the end of this video. Maybe one. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Getting a 2-point pass, or 2-point conversion game plan. That has to go for a 15K probably. Oh. Flashback. Well, that was That was random. Something random. Alright. Well, let me just say these packs are... Oh my gosh, every time. I was going to say they were getting worse, but Larry Fitz again. That is a good card. I mean, I might as well say every pack is trash, and I'll get an elite probably. So let's try it. After this pack, alright. All these packs have been trash. Maybe I can... Oh my gosh, every time. How is this happening? Every time I say they're terrible, just they get better. So, I can't lie any longer. These packs are not half bad. Only 30K, and those players are going for around... haven't looked in the past 30 minutes, but they were going for around 200K, so that's pretty... Oh, there we go! Cordell Patterson! 94 kick return. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Let's save that image right there. Don't know why EA added that. Could just screenshot it. But oh my gosh. Again. Pulled him again. Now that's why these NFC packs are... These are the best ones right here. I mean, that pretty much just made my whole... I mean, everything else now is profit. I mean, I've already I think I've wasted 1 mil on these packs. Well, not really wasted. I mean, this might be profit right here, but see if we can get that 96 Zeke. If we get that 96 Zeke, I'll do a 500K giveaway video tonight. So, I mean, you better be hoping I get that 96 Zeke. Oh, there we go. I thought that was I thought I saw an elite, but my eyes were just tricking me there. Oh, there we go. Travis Frederick. Alright, 4 more packs. This video is taking a little bit longer than I thought. But these packs are pretty awesome. Oh, and there we go, getting an 85 elite. Deion Jones goes for 15K probably less because of the player value just going way down. Well, last pack right here. See if we can get anything good out of it. Nope. Alright. Oh, shout out to my league. They're been pulling these guys all day. But yeah, we can just look to see who I pulled to remember. I pulled 91 Brandon Scherf, 91 Cameron Wake, 91 391 Larry Fitzgerald's, 94 can't say his name, but Patterson, and 92 Travis Frederick. Let's go to these sets. I mean, I could probably... I'm not going to do that because that Patterson goes for more, but this Aaron Donald right here is a non-auctionable one, so it really kind of sucks, but 42 of those, we can get one of them. Oh my, there, 94 Jadeveon Clowney. Man, if he was if I could auction him. But I mean, we can go to the squad. See how good he looks for his own headliners. Man, that's pretty nice. Yeah, I was thinking about selling this team, selling all my players, because the players are just keep going down. Well, I'm saving legend packs for this Ultimate Legends, and thank you for watching. It was a pretty good video. Peace.